stroke order rules for writing Mandarin characters. 1. Top to bottom. 2. 3. 2. Left to right. 火穿 3. Horizontal before vertical. 10. 下 4. Bottom horizontal stroke last. 弓 5. Left vertical stroke before top horizontal stroke. 日 口 6. Bottom and closing strokes last. 4. 日 7. Outside before inside. 回月国 10. 8. Center stroke before wings. 水小 9. Left falling strokes before right falling strokes. 8. 人间 10. Diagonals right to left before diagonals left to right. 文 11. Inside stroke before side stroke. 这过到 12. Top or upper left dots first. 渭江永 13. Inside or upper right dots last. 我瓦凡差母 14. Minor strokes often last. 玉寸太 15. Cutting strokes last. 毕中半阳手